with another video. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin, and then we're also going to be going over to Ethereum. Both of these are in danger. I am looking for big buys on these also, okay? I do feel Ethereum is going to go to over 10,000, and I do feel Bitcoin is going to go over to 100,000, but a couple things need to happen first before we get there. So let's go ahead and start over Bitcoin. Smash that like button, subscribe if you are new. Thank you guys for being a part of the channel. And the first one we're going to talk about is Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC USD. I'm going to type that out. So BTC USD, as you guys know, we're getting that heavy pullback, right? So this was almost the first sign to really stay away from Bitcoin. So after you get this big pull down, that's showing a lot of pressure. And even when it was going to the upside, if I zoom in a little bit, right, we had this big push up here. And then look how slow Bitcoin started to go, right? It didn't really show any type of strength to try to go higher. Then we got that huge pull down. Now we also have FOMC Wednesday, and we also have JPOW speaking on Friday. I feel like both of those are also going to be moving Bitcoin and Ethereum, so you need to be watching out for those. Now, BTC. So we have a support that broke right around 19,800. Didn't show any type of willingness to try to really go up into that resistance level at about 20,581. And it had a heavy pull down here. So a couple levels we need to watch out for on Bitcoin. This is a level here. And this level is actually going to be a buying level and a support level in one. So if this level breaks, that's going to be very bad. Now, if this level breaks, we're probably going to see Bitcoin go to around 16,000. So Bitcoin is probably going to drop another 2,000 if this level breaks. So this is a very massive buying level. It's a support level, all kind of in one. So make sure you kind of watch out for that level. That's very important. Now, we do have a resistance level here. Now, for us to go to 100,000 on Bitcoin, I would think Bitcoin would really need to start breaking above about, to see 100,000. Maybe like for the first sign that we might be starting to go with 100,000, it needs to probably break above 26,000. So kind of have like 26,000 in your head, kind of just start watching it. For Bitcoin to go to 100,000, that would be the first sign that Bitcoin would probably start going to 100,000. Okay, I do believe it will go to 100,000, but it'll probably need to start breaking up there first. So as we're down here, it would need to start breaking resistance levels, right? So let's bring this resistance level down. Now we have a lot of resistance level. We got a resistance level at like 19,150. We got a resistance level at 19,400. But I'm gonna put one at 19,600 just so we don't have too many levels on there. I'll put the last part of resistance up there, 19,600. This is what we want to be watching out for, right? So for us to start going up higher prices, this resistance level needs to break. So where we are now, it needs to start breaking on the upside or even break to hold support. But if we come down this buying level, we get pressure. That won't be necessarily a buy, but that just means Bitcoin might want to start going higher. But we won't know that for sure until it starts breaking out of this 19,600. That's when I'll probably be like, okay, Bitcoin wants to start going higher. Like I said, I am looking for heavy buys on Bitcoin. So if you want to know what I buy, what I sell, make sure you join the team. It's that first link in the description. Prices go up in about 6 days. So main two levels for Bitcoin that I'm looking at, that is it. If we break that 18,600 level, we're probably going to be going down to about 16,000 or so. So make sure you watch that. And let's go to Ethereum. Ticker symbol ETH. So let me go ahead and write this out. ETHUSD. This one had a very big support level at it, about 1450. I told you guys if this was going to break, we probably was going to see a lot of selling pressure. And we did. Right when it broke, huge selling pressure from like 1450 went all the way down to about 1300. So it dropped about 150%. And they said even after the merge, which I was kind of expecting this, is usually buy the rumor, sell the news. But after the merge, this thing dropped about 20% after the merge. Usually you buy up to the merge and then you sell it after the merge, take your profit. And you see how Ethereum was having this run? This was the merge anticipation. And now we're just going on the downside. So we do have a couple things to be looking out for. Okay, so new support level, we're kind of almost there. I would probably put a different support level on there actually, because we're about to hit that one. That one is about like 1320, well about 1300 even. So you could probably watch that, but I think we have a bigger support level down here at about 1200. So I'll be watching that. Like I said, we have one about 1300, so we can put it. I'll probably put it. So let's put this. So we got 1200. Let's change this blue. Okay. So let's go ahead and repeat this one, and let's put this one at about 1300. So these are the two support levels on Ethereum. Now, I feel like Ethereum is going to break these. I feel like Ethereum is going to have pullback. It might even go back below $1,000. If it does, I'll be buying Ethereum like crazy. I do believe Ethereum is going to go over 10,000 per coin. When that happens, we don't know. But you know what's going to be the first signs of Ethereum start to break? So we have 1,200 support. We have 1,300 support, right? So watch these two levels. The first signs that Ethereum is going to want to start going to higher prices is when Ethereum starts breaking out of its resistance levels. It needs to break resistance levels for us to kind of know Ethereum wants to start going higher. It has not done that yet. So we're looking at, oh, okay, let me see. 1375 is a resistance level, okay? It needs to start breaking out. So as you see, Ethereum's on this side. We want to be on the left side of the curve for Ethereum, not on that right side. The right side is only breaking supports. The left side was only breaking resistance. So that's key, very key for Ethereum to start going higher. So make sure you kind of watch out for these two levels, 1,200 for support, 1,300 for support, and about 1,375 as a resistance. If any of these levels break on Ethereum or Bitcoin, I will let you guys know. Okay, so watch these. Thank you guys for watching the video. Always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything, just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.